Hi everyone, Tim Brown here. For this topic, we're going to focus on recording narration in your iMovie project. And this time I'm going to switch to the iPhone. So you're looking at a blank screen. It looks very similar to the iPad. There is one difference. I don't know if you notice it. There is no microphone option. Because the phone does not have as much screen real estate, it's not as large, you have to get another menu in order to retrieve the narration option. So when you hit the plus symbol, you'll see that you have a menu of options, but still there is no microphone or voiceover narration. We have audio, but no voiceover narration. Why? Because the phone is a little different. If you're going to include voiceovers in your iMovie project using your phone, you need to first add a photo or video to your timeline. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, I now have a photo on my timeline. So now let's go ahead and add that narration. So I'm going to go back to the plus symbol, go back to the main menu, and what do you know? VoiceOver is now an option. So I'm going to select VoiceOver, and now I'm ready to record. So when you're ready to record, you just press the record button. This is the photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Stop the recording. And you see you still have a menu up there. So you actually have some options. You can accept the recording, you can review it, retake the recording, or cancel the recording. So I'm going to go ahead and review it. This is the photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Okay, I'm going to stop that. I can decide that I don't really like it, in which case you can then go to retake. So I'm going to go to retake, and it's going to start that timeline all over again. Hi everyone, this is a photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Review it again. Hi everyone, this is a photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Okay, that sounds better. I'll accept it. And now you have a recorded narration on your timeline. Pretty simple. There's one thing, however, that I do want to mention as something that you should consider. So at this example that I just showed you, I used the native microphone. That is the microphone that comes built into your iPhone. It's helpful to actually use a microphone when recording because the microphone will help to eliminate some of that background noise that you hear. Usually it's the echo that's coming from the room. I'm in a room right now that has a lot of echo, so it really impacts the sound. And you'll notice the difference in this demonstration. So if you happen to have a phone with a lightning port, and most phones do in this day and age, your phone comes with a headset. People mainly use it to listen to music or to make phone calls. You can also use this to record into your iMovie projects. So you just plug it into the lightning port and put on your headset and do the recording that way. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and do another recording right next to the one we just did because I actually want to compare the two recordings for you. So I'm going to go back to the button, record another voiceover. Hi everyone, this is a great photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that. Now I'm going to go ahead and play those two recordings back to back, and I want you to listen to how each recording sounds. Hi everyone, this is a photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Hi everyone, this is a great photo that I took during my trip to Florence, Italy in 2006. Now what you notice is that the second recording sounded a little lower than the other one because the first one's bringing in a lot of the noise from the surroundings. So it's going to sound louder, but it's also going to have a lot of, and it's kind of like a hissing noise. They call it ambient noise. The other recording is sounded lower, but there's no sound coming in from the background. So it was more localized. You know, you have a microphone that's actually closer to your mouth, and it's not a microphone like the one on your phone that's not only recording your voice, but all the sounds around you. So that's something to keep in mind if you want to control a little bit of the sound quality that's going into your final project. You can use other types of microphones with lightning ports as well. I actually own another one, but this costs some money. I believe it's over $100, but it's called the Clip Mic Digital Microphone by Sennheiser. It does the same thing. It actually comes with an app. But you may want to consider exploring those external microphone options, when you are prepared to do so.